Today we're going to be looking at a couple of interesting ways for you to check out your system date and time on your computer. Now, a lot of this information that you're going to learn in this particular video can be useful if you're doing an investigation where you're dealing with computerized forensics. During an investigation, one of the first pieces of information you want to collect is the system time. Now, the system time will give a great deal of context to the information that you are going to collect later in the investigation. And of course, it's also going to assist in developing an accurate timeline of events that have occurred on the particular system that you're working with. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've got my desktop opened up here, and for this I'm actually using Windows 7. But as far as I know, it works the same way with Windows XP and Windows Vista as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is open up a Run dialog box. And I'm going to do that by hitting the Windows key on the keyboard and then pressing the R button. And that's going to open up the dialog box for me. And what I'm going to do there is simply, I'm going to delete what I've got in there, even though it's what I needed, just so you can see. You're going to type in CMD, Charlie Mac David, and then you're going to hit enter. And that's going to open up your command line utility box. So from here, you can simply just type in time, hit enter, and that's going to bring up your time for you. So you can see the time is 19:05:39, which you can also tell by looking down at your the corner of your computer screen. It says 7:05. So I'm going to hit enter a couple of times to get back to the C users admin prompt, and then I want to look at the date. So I'm just going to type in DATE, and that's going to bring up the current date is Thursday, January 28th, 2010. So you can see that's going to be very beneficial. So not only is the current system time important to you as an investigator, but also the amount of time that the system has been running, or the uptime, as a lot of people call it, can also provide a great deal of context to the investigation. So, for example, noting the amount of time the system has been running compared to the amount of time a process has been running can provide you with a tremendous idea of when an exploit or compromise attempt may have been successful or so. But we're going to look at some more ways of retrieving information in some of the future videos. So as you can see, this simple, straightforward, don't really need a lot of technical knowledge to use this one. So simple. Hope you understood it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here on YouTube. Thanks. Bye.